Nano-Purification Solutions is your world-class provider of compressed air and gas treatment equipment. This is a demonstration of Snowstorm filling techniques used to manufacture Nano D-Series desiccant dryers, N-Series nitrogen generators, and B-Series breathing air purification systems. Snowstorm filling is a method of filling a volume with granular beads that increases the amount of adsorbent material compacted into the bed by more than 12%. In the first demonstration, a set quantity of granular adsorbent beads are simply poured into the column. Please note the uneven fill and the crown top. When the column is vibrated, the top of the absorbed bed flattens and settles on the scale at 10. The second demonstration simulates the filling of a classic style twin tower dryer with welded vessel in which the filling port is substantially smaller in diameter than the main vessel. Note the uneven fill is now biased to one side and the crowning is even more pronounced. When the column is vibrated, the top of the absorbent bed flattens and again settles at 10 on the scale. Since snowstorm filling requires full access to the vessel diameter, it cannot be used on such welded vessel designs. The third demonstration uses the snowstorm filling technique. Snowstorm filling releases a measured volume of adsorbent granules into a shaped tube where an arrangement of diverters and mesh sieves randomize the fall of the granules into a snowstorm. This ensures each adsorption bead has minimum energy and is able to find its optimum position within the adsorbent bed. Observe the snowstorm of adsorbent beads produced. The top of the bed remains completely flat during filling. The snowstorm filling process is slower and much more controlled, and the top of the bed only reaches 9 on the scale. Through snowstorm filling, one can produce 12% more highly compacted adsorbent beds in the same volume over conventionally filled vessels. Finally, in the fourth demonstration, the bed is shaken to demonstrate fluidization. The adsorbent material loses its high packing density and increases in volume to level 10 on the scale. In summary, snowstorm filling ensures 12% more efficient desiccant packing into the bed, reduces dryer footprint since more desiccant can be packed into a similar volume, improves dryer performance through avoidance of channeling and bypass, increases entire adsorbent bed utilization, optimizes adsorbent media life since limited vibrational attrition takes place at tower switchover, minimizes desiccant dusting, and eliminates fluidization since stainless steel support mesh is fitted at both ends of the adsorption bed. Experience, customer, service, Nano-Purification Solutions.